Did you know there were once factory workers who literally glowed in the dark after their shifts? In the 1920s, hundreds of young women worked at companies like the US Radium Corporation, painting watch dials with a special glowing paint. The secret ingredient? Radium, a radioactive element that made everything shine bright green. Here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. The bosses told these women to lick their paintbrushes to make perfect points for painting tiny numbers. They said radium was healthy, even good for you. Some workers painted their nails and teeth with it for fun. But soon, the horrifying truth emerged. Their bones began glowing green through their skin. Their jaws literally rotted away. Tumors sprouted throughout their bodies like deadly flowers. When the dying women tried to sue, they were so sick that court had to be held in their hospital rooms. These brave radium girls fought from their deathbeds and won, creating the worker safety laws that protect millions of people today. Sometimes the most important victories come from the darkest places.